Hi, my name is Nathan Milianti, Regional Sales Engineer here at GAM, and today I want to talk to you about our SPH Helical Planetary Gearbox. The SPH is GAM's highest precision inline planetary gearbox designed for the most demanding servo applications. The single-piece black oxide housing of the SPH with an integrated ring gear machined directly into it allows for 5 times the amount of torsional stiffness of a standard planetary ring gear. The SPH utilizes ground helical gears 70% wider than those of the competition, with an optimized 6.5-degree helix angle for smooth tangential tooth engagement. This allows the teeth to move seamlessly in and out of the load zone, resulting in a quieter and more powerful gearhead. These high-precision gears are encapsulated by 2 robust tapered roller bearings to accommodate high radial and axial loads. The combination of these components creates a gearbox that packs high torque capabilities into a small envelope. This gives the customer the opportunity to size down both their motor and gearhead. Optimizing the machine design leads to reduced power consumption, machine footprint, and overall cost of the system. What truly sets the SPH apart from all others is the ability to limit lost motion. Contrary to popular belief, lost motion is not a result of backlash alone, but is a product of both backlash and torsional stiffness. The SPH comes standard with a backlash rating of 3 arc minutes and can get as low as 1 arc minute across all sizes and ratios. This, combined with a 98% efficiency and the 5 times torsional stiffness rating discussed earlier, creates a gearbox with precision unmatched by any other manufacturer. The SPH is offered in several different sizes and configurations. Our 6 frame sizes, ranging from 50 to 180 millimeters, ensures that there is an SPH with appropriate performance capabilities for any application. We also have 5 standard output configurations, including a solid shaft with an optional coupling, a flange, a spline designed to mount directly to a GAM pinion gear, and a housed coupling. This housed coupling output is available exclusively at GAM. It utilizes a shorter shaft and our most compact bellows coupling to reduce footprint. This coupling is encased with a black oxide housing with standard mounting and piloting dimensions designed to adapt directly to your machine. And like all GAM gearboxes, the SPH comes ready to mount to the motor of your choosing. Give us a call and let one of our engineers help find a solution for you. And remember, GAM can.